Congress sources claim there will be reshuffle in Ibobi government after January 11 civic body elections. Chief Minister Ibobi insists Manipur must attempt to overtake other states in overall literacy rate and female literacy rate. BJP Manipur accuses Thawal Municipal Council of misappropriating funds meant for the poor and needy. And the great-great-grandson of Charles Darwin delivers Ojasana Darwin Memorial Lecture on Human Rights and Self-Determination as Perspective for Real Development. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime News and I'm Kishore Chandrawang Kimcha with the top stories and latest news till this hour of the day. Manipur government, which is considered as the most stable Congress government in the northeast state, may witness some changes sooner than later. Congress sources have claimed that there will be reshuffle in Ibobi-led Congress government after the January 11 civic polls. Sources told Impact News that the reshuffle may take place after the civic body elections to strengthen the Congress party. The sources indicated a replacement of 3 ministers from the valley and 2 from the hills as per directions of the AICC president some time back. They also said the cabinet reshuffle is necessitated to keep the rebelling MLAs within the party. Some within the party suggested that sacrificing the remaining 1 year by Congress MLA who has been minister for 4 years will not harm the party and it will also accommodate almost all the Congress MLAs. Mention may be made that 27 Congress MLAs demanded reshuffling of the councils of ministers to AICC President Sonia Gandhi, in which she and Vice President Rahul Gandhi agreed. The MLA have intimated the leaders that they will not oppose when one of the 27 MLAs is given a berth in the cabinet. Now, Chief Minister Okram Ibobi today asserted that development of human resources needs public and private partnership. Speaking at the inauguration of an indoor stadium at R.K. Sanatombi Devi Vidyalaya Pangaya Hautul, constructed under the UGC, Okram Ibobi Singh said human resources development must not be delayed and the state needs to overtake other states in terms of overall literacy rate and female literacy rate. Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam, who also attended the event, said one must respect those who are in teaching professions for their contribution in shaping the future of the students who are the pillars of the nation. Chief Minister also released Sanarik Pareng magazine and presented prizes to the winners of the 21st Sports Meet at the event organized by Managing Committee of R.K. Sanatombi Devi College of Education.
Akoi government kaptana masigi daita masigi responsibility si yaroi private sector aduga government gi public undertaking lairiba mayam puna maksing sina health sector ga education sector ga se akoi ponna akoi hotna minadana lantham amaga loina na akoi na yohonningi ba target si achieve taunana ba hotna bada akoi punna hotna minaba tai ngasigi R.K. Sanatombi Vidyalaya College of Education tawbiri ba se I really appreciate.
Irate locals burned 4 houses of a family on the ground that a young man was killed by his family members. The incident took place this evening around 5 at Takhel Mamang under Lamlai Police Station in Imphal East District. The deceased has been identified as Tensubam Premananda, 27, son of Mohindro. The body of Premananda was found at Takhel Mamang Ching Khalobi on the 21st of this month. JC formed against the killing had been demanding for the arrest of those involved in the killing. 5 suspects were also arrested by the police. Earlier, JAC members and locals gathered at Lamlai Police Station demanding to produce the culprit and release the 5 arrested. They warned not to dispose the body and also refused to claim the dead body until the culprits are produced. Later, the JAC member talked to the police and the police revealed that one suspect, a cousin of the deceased, was involved in the killing. Later, the mob rushed to the house of the suspect and burned 4 houses, including the house of the victim.
OC Saib adagi SDPO nasiba mayam se koi SP gi kai knowledge lobjaraga koi main suspects amadi koi yaure koi na phari ba hoji police custody la lari ba moi manga simon ga main suspect ama yaure tai tai ji mara leite ana do haibirak pa main suspect si atai to bo ramdra victim ji family gi ꯍꯦꯛ ꯃꯅꯥꯎ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯤ ꯕꯕꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯝꯃꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯞꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯊꯤꯡꯕ ꯉꯝꯍꯧꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯊꯤꯡꯕ ꯉꯝꯍꯧꯗꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯌꯨꯝꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯨꯒꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯃꯩ ꯅꯨꯡ ꯊꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯦ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯛꯄꯗꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯐꯥꯎꯗꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯀ꯭ꯂꯣꯁ ꯇꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯦꯟ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯁꯇꯔ ꯃꯥꯏꯟꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯁꯁꯄꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯂꯩ.
Day after BJP Manipur Pradesh accepted a challenge by Congress to see the might of the party in the upcoming local body elections, BJP today alleged that councillors of Thawal Municipal Council in Chief Minister's constituency have swindled funds meant for the poor and needy. Speaking to media at BJP office at Niti Aipad Chutek, State General Secretary L. Basanta said rupees 7 crores 12 lakhs 14,000 sanctioned for low-cost latrine have been misappropriated by 14 councillors and their associates. There is also an apprehension that rupees 7 crore 33 lakh 50,000 sanctioned for housing loan in Thawal Municipal Council might have also been swindled as well. Maintaining that reply to an RTI regarding low-cost latrine and housing loans has been denied by the authority concerned in clear disrespect of RTI Act 2005, El Basanta questioned how would be the situation in other area when councillors in Chief Minister's Assembly constituency are depriving the rights of the people. Basanta also added that RTI cell BJP Manipur Pradesh will investigate into the misappropriation of funds sanctioned for Municipal Council and Nagar Panchayat from tomorrow.
India the Satnariba rules of law 2005 the passed of RTI Act se Manipur da di paukhum phau khumbang amaroi haina haujik paleba incumbent sarkar adusu mahut Minister, Honorable Chief Minister, na pai di ba Thawal magdada tawragadi atopa jagada RTI gi film kai oiramgadagi habse ngasi media ai khudang da khoina wafum masi thamjabani.
Thongju MLA Thongam Biswajit today distributed pensions to elderly persons of the constituency under Thongam Sajau Singh Memorial Trust. The trust was set up in his grandfather's name. The old age pension was distributed at the residence of the MLA this morning. Women above 55 years and men above 60 years have been provided pension of rupees 200 per month since June 2014 by the MLA. The MLA also gives special pensions of rupees 500 per month to disabled persons and young widows. PRO of MLA Biswajit and Surjit said the MLA has been helping the elderly persons in the constituency by giving them pension, even when the state government cannot give pension to all the elderly persons. The 5th Ojasana Jawba Memorial Lecture was held today at courtroom of Manipur University on the 70th birth anniversary of Professor N. Sana Jawba. Anthropologist and activist Professor Felix Pedal, who is the great-great-grandson of Charles Darwin, spoke on human rights and self-determination as perspective for real development. He said activists should be given a special place. Professor Felix Pedal said the right to development boils down to food security, water security, security at work, and security of livelihoods, rights to sensibly managed education and healthcare, and every aspect of security to life and dignity. As part of the program, musician Tapta Akhu CH and Felix dedicated the protest rhythms to Professor N. Sana Jawba.
I wanted to say, that actually activists need to be given a place in academic spaces. It's very important that academics may choose or choose not to take up positions on issues, but it's very important that it's not seen as too controversial to do that. That we all should speak out when the time is right, and especially academics who go very deeply into subjects. It's our duty to speak out when we see something happening. So the main subject I'm speaking on is what is real development?
30 delegates from outside the state attended the memorial lecture. The event was organized by Ojasana Jawba Memorial Trust, OSMT. Speaking to media person, managing trustee of OSMT, S. Bubol said the memorial lecture is organized every year to commemorate the contribution of Ojasana Jawba. He also said Ojasana Jawba played an important role in solving various issues of the state by his intellectual intervention.
Ojasana Jawba ji mayamna oja haiduna aikoina yam nuksina ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯈꯤꯕ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯨꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯃꯇꯝꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯋꯥꯊꯣꯛꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯏꯟꯇꯦꯂꯦꯛꯆꯨꯋꯦꯜ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯚꯦꯟꯁꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯅ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯃꯇꯝꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯔꯛꯄ ꯐꯣꯔꯃꯨꯂꯦꯁꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯆꯧ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯏꯁꯨꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯟꯅ ꯆꯤꯡꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯨꯔꯨꯞꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯍꯤꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯋꯥꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯦꯡꯕ ꯁꯛꯇꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯌꯨꯆꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯦꯛ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯅ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯕꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯃꯣꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯂꯦꯛꯆꯔ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄꯅꯤ.
Board of Secondary Education has reintroduced additional English as an option in lieu of first language in classes 9 and 10 only for indigenous scheduled tribe students domiciled in Manipur, irrespective of whether their mother tongues have been recognized as MIL subjects or not by the board until further orders. All India Trade Union Congress Manipur today observed the 77th anniversary of Chinga Mipham at Irabot Bhavan, BT Road. Floral tributes were offered to the portrait of Hijam Irabot and launched Thengnabaga Loinana Pangal Sagat Pachahi campaign organized by ITUK Manipur on the occasion. Chinga Mipham was held on December 29 and 30, 1938. President and Secretary of All India Trade Union, President All Manipur Road Transport Drivers and Motor Workers Union, President All Manipur Newspaper and Distribution Association, President All Manipur Anganwadi Workers and Helpers Union among others attended the event.
प्रजाना खंजब सभा लोग भोटना प्रजा की शासन तौबा आइन सभा लिंखत मीन्स ngasiगी लेरिब असेंबली असे ngasiगी लेरिब थाक असिदा पुरुकनबगी वखललोन सि इराबोटना सोक कुंथ्रा निपानगी डिसेंबर तारीख कुंथ्रा द ngasiगी नुमित असिदा लाउथोखिबा मदुगी फोल अमनी हाइबदा हाइमन बथोकलो
All India Trade Union Congress Manipur na handaki chaliba Chinga Mipham ase masdagi hauraga chahi machupna akhoi sinmi singi lomi singi makhan kya gi thengnari bu khudong thiba kya singse ko naba khoi struggle kya tonla warep lore.
Saduchiru Village Authority said visitors to Saduchiru waterfall are not allowed to bring eatable items to the water areas beyond the public parking. In a press release, the village authority said gambling will not be allowed in the area and defaulters will be fined and appropriate actions will be taken against him. The Assistant Commissioner of Excise Department, Kaisham Joy Kumar, today lamented the lack of infrastructure and manpower in Excise Department. Speaking to media, he said the lack is a hurdle for the department in discharging its duties. The department today displayed before the media the liquor seized by it from April to December this year and shared other achievements during the period. Kaisham Joy Kumar said even though the department has 704 sanctioned posts, about 450 employees are engaged in various duties. He expressed the apprehension that there will be shortage of manpower as about 40 employees will get retired in February 2016. He said the department will face more problem as 70 to 80% of the staff will be retired in 2019-20. Excise Department has now 39 checkposts in Manipur, including the ones at Koirangay, Sekmai, Saparmaina, Kangpokpi, Senapati, Lairo, Tadubi on Imphal-Dimapur Road, and Lilong, Thobal, Kakching, Palel, and More on Imphal-More Road, and Kaithel Manbi, None, and Jiribam on Imphal-Jiribam Road. Even though 20 personnel are required at the checkpost, only 6 personnel are posted at the checkposts. He said the department has collected rupees 15,62,700 revenue for the government and 1,459 cases were registered. The department has collected excise duty from defense and paramilitary to the tune of rupees 6,79,59,000.
Excise gi employee mayam sing sigi age factor na tawning ba thabak leiraga su kitang handharapa hojik thabak khara phajana tawriba mayam si koi dying harness da lakhiba mi kunthra nifu amuki strength tuga akoi gi ariba mayam sing siga kaukhalaga loinaraga koina thabak tawuni excise department sida ngachi phangiba revenue se akoi gi 15 lakhs se double hen oigadabani anova requit kumba koi na yang yawgumba leiragadi vehicle nukal loin piragadi yam apapa Manipur gi excise department ama oiba yabani.
Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol, KADA, has condoled the death of Reverend Wahengmem Ranjit Thangmem Yumnam Lekai, who was former Secretary of Punba Manipur Lau Singu Lup and Laishram Ombi Bilashini, Sega Road, Secretary IPR Nongchup Imphal Maira Paibi Lup, Nimpal. KADA observed 2 minutes silence as mark of respect to the departed souls. Meitei International Civic Action Network, MICON, has urged the government to implement the Manipur Conservations of Paddyland and Wetland Act 2014 passed by the Manipur Legislative Assembly in 2014. MICON has submitted representation to the Chief Minister through Deputy Commissioner Imphal West, Ningthokjam Geoffrey. Speaking at a press meet, MICON Chief Coordinator Athobu Meitei urged the state government to implement the act to protect the paddyland and prevent sale and purchase of paddy fields.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯡꯌꯥ ꯇꯝꯌꯥꯗ ꯐꯖ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯍꯥꯡꯅ ꯂꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯏꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯀꯟꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯛꯁꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯍꯣꯡꯖꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯀꯟꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯛꯁꯟ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯝ ꯁꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯥꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯧꯕꯨꯛꯇ ꯆꯠꯊꯒꯗꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯇꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯣ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯀꯟꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯀꯟꯖꯔꯕꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯄꯦꯗꯤꯂꯦꯟ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯋꯦꯠꯂꯦꯟ ꯑꯦꯛ 2014ꯁꯦ ꯈꯨꯗꯛꯇ ꯏꯝꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯃꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗ
Foundation of Rural and Urban Development Manipur, located at Porompat Jenims Cade, has condemned Professor Dr. Priyaranjan of Manipur University for his statement against Pong Road protesters. Dr. Priyaranjan had stated that the protest at Pong Road was taken out by a few shopkeepers of the area. Foundation for Rural and Urban Development Manipur President Laikhuram Tomba said the closure of Pong Road has caused immense problems to residents of the locality. Laikhuram Tomba said they have been requesting the state government to give a small passage so that it can be used by locals in time of emergency. He questioned the authorities concerned why the roads around Jenims are in bad condition. Laikhuram Tomba appealed to authorities concerned to look into the matter at the earliest.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯅꯣꯡꯄꯣꯛꯃꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯍꯟꯊꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯤꯂꯣꯃꯤꯇꯔ ꯑꯅꯤꯐꯥꯎ ꯐꯥꯗꯅ ꯃꯃꯥꯡ ꯊꯪꯕ ꯖꯥꯠ ꯇꯤꯚꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯆꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯇꯔ ꯁꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯏꯒꯤꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁꯀꯤꯅ ꯃꯃꯥꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯝꯕꯦꯟꯁꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯁꯨꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯈꯤꯕ ꯂꯝꯕꯦꯟꯁꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯅꯣꯡꯖꯨ ꯊꯥꯔꯛꯑꯗꯤ ꯖꯤꯞꯁꯤ ꯇꯪꯈꯥꯏ ꯌꯧꯔꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯟ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯤꯕꯁꯤꯕꯨ MLA ꯁꯤꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯗꯣꯔꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯤꯗꯣꯔꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯅꯣꯡꯄꯣꯛꯃꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯒ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯄꯣꯔꯣꯝꯄꯥꯠ ꯀꯣꯆꯤꯡꯗꯒꯤꯅ ꯀꯣꯡꯀꯩꯊꯦꯜ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯂꯝꯕꯦꯟ ꯃꯇꯦꯛ ꯈꯔꯁꯤ ꯀꯣꯝꯉꯥ ꯌꯣꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯔꯛꯀꯗꯧꯔꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ.
A digital training center was opened yesterday at Semrok New High School in Thawbal Samthang Laikai to provide digital knowledge to the villages of the area under the National Digital Literary Mission. United Kuki Liberation Front UKLF greeted the people on New Year and wished them happiness, prosperity, peace and unity. In a press release, Secretary of Information and Publicity MP Haukip wished that the year 2016 will be a year of peace, achievements, joy, unity and contentment. Now, Kanglei Chanura, a Manipur feature film made under the banner of Kunailon Film Production, Manipur, was released today at Classic Rally, Chimerong. The film is produced by Jinita Singha and co-directed by Bijgupta Laishram and Ghanshyam. Social Welfare Minister A.K. Mirabai, President Film Forum Manipur L. Surjakanta Sharma, among others, attended the function.
समाज असिदा पीरिबा अखोगी मेसेज असे यामना नुंगाइबा अदुदगी यामना हेना लैरिबा सोसाइटी सिगी लैरिबा मायोन असे अचुम्बा मायोन द पुरकपा ngamnabagi damakta koi honaba tabani film da yaure haiduna mayamna biyeng nungaitana yengbibagi wakhalon thadokbiba makoi bu hena thongna hapiba sumain tawdana akhoi masengi marakta ngasigi society sideida afaba tangdu leitaba yamna watta padaba nungai yai
LS Film Productions, the first film Mani Mamo, was launched today at the function held at the residence of Laisangtim Yaima at Kurai Sarjor Laikai Tinsit Road. Produced by Bembem, the story is by Kunjo, lyricist, editor and director of the film is Ajit Ning Thauja. Gokul Sadananda Manda, Bala Ratanlai, Sam Kishore, Lalita B are in the film. Secretary of Manipur State Yoga Association Nongthombami Bohol Singh today said people have started accepting yoga in the state, but performing yoga without knowing the aesthetic will not benefit anyone. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club, N.E. Bohol said traditional yoga is transforming into integrated yoga therapy and therefore yoga trainers should also have a thorough knowledge of yoga. He added that there is no use of exercising yoga after someone is ill, but one should start it before he or she is ill.
जोगी मपुंग फानबगीदमतदी अखोई यामना क्वालिफाइड ओरबा जोगी लमदा थेरापिस्टा अखोई पोस्टग्रेजुएट लोरबा एमए जोग लोरबा पीएचडी लोरबा कया अमा अखोई थोलई अदुगमदगी नेचर क्योरदा डिग्री पाइरबा कया अमा अखोई जोग मणिपुर स्टेट जोगी सोसाइटी मेंबर ओइदना अखोई तौमिनरी हाइरबा सिंगसिगा जॉइंटली पुंसन मिनरगा स्टेट लेवल सिदा जोग सिगी पॉपुलैरिटी हेना चौखटनबा पाकथोक पाकथुरु खनमिनसी.
Time now for another short commercial break. Keep watching Impact News.
मानो नुंतगी चारिब मरु मरांग याव चिंजाकसिंग सियंग मसिन हक्चांगी पांगल अमदि लिवर सोहन बतना तना पुक नाबा एसिडिटी चाब तुमदबन चिंबा क्या नारखिया
इमाना पिरक हक्चांग आक्थुकनब हिदाक लैरिसिदि लिप्से नमानब सिंग नुंतिगी पार्टी सांगा चाद्रबदि सुक्या मग्याद्रबरा अदुमना खंगद्र माले मसिना पुक नाबा थिनबगी अवाब थोहनबा याय
लिप्सब नुंतिगी चाबना एसिडिटी चाब तुमदबा खोंग हाबा यातब फली अदुगा चाकसु लामले
लिवर बु फरबदि पुंसिसु सुपर हिट ओइरे.
Welcome back from the break once again. You're watching Primetime News. Now news from the world of sports. KM Riding C, Singjamei Manipur Police Sports Club A and KM Riding A, Singjamei beat their rivals at the 31st N Hazari and Dr. N Tombi State Polo Tournament. In a match played at Mapal Kangjebung this afternoon, KM Riding C, Singjamei thrashed Kangleipak Polo Club Laipam Kuno 6-3. In another match, Manipur Police Sports Club A beat Tekcham Polo Club 8-5. In today's third match, KM Riding A, Singjamei trounced Nongchupana Polo Club B, Langjing 13-1. There will be 2 matches tomorrow. THYC Hijim Dewan Lekai and LTYDO Lalambung will clash in the final of the first Mini Boys Under 35 kg football tournament. In the first semi-final of the tournament, hosted by Rising Knowledge Club Kuyatong at Tangwepan Tombisana Girls High School, Kuyatong Brown THYC Hijim Dewan Lekai beat YIC Kaisamtong 2-0. In the second semi-final, LTYDO Lalambung beat Warrior FC Tangwepan 1-0. The final will be played tomorrow at 2 p.m. The 7th Endurance Club Inter-Nomibung 4A-side football tournament kicked off today. The tournament is organized by Eastern Sports Club Nomibung at its playground. In the first league match played today, VS FC Nomibung defeated NIK FC Nomibung by 2-1. The third state-level open tennis ball cricket tournament organized by Islamic Library Association will kick off at Kairao Makting Awang Lekai on January 17. Intending clubs and association have been asked to contact the office of ILA at Kairao Major Inkol. Cookies Sporting Club Lambuland have reached the semi-finals of the 13th Manipur Veteran Cricket Tournament. In the first quarter-final match played today, Cookies Sporting Club Lambuland won the toss and elected to field first. Batting first, Model Club B Chingamaka were all out for 132 in 29.3 overs. In reply, Cookie Sporting Club Lambuland reached the target runs, losing 5 wickets in 24.3 overs. Cookie Sporting Club's Lambuland all-rounder Gongmin Lund was judged Sapam Mani Singh man of the match. The second quarter-final match will be played on January 2 next year between Kashar Road Athletic Union, Kamnam Lerak and Cyclone Thangweban. Thao Tangweban beat UCC Uripok by 8 wickets in the second played cricket tournament at Luang Pokpa Cricket Ground, Luang Sangbam. In a league match of the tournament hosted by Manipur Cricket Association, UCC Uripok won the toss and elected to bat first. They made just 34 runs all out in 15.4 overs. In reply, Thao Tangweban made 35 for 1 in 5.5 overs. The 28th league match will be played between TCMDC Thongju and YWC Patsoi. Karatekas of Karate Do Association Manipur Kam bagged 5 medals at the 32nd Karate Coaching Camp and International Karate Do Championship 2015 held from December 25 to 28 at Sri Shiv Chhatrapati Sports Complex in Pune. The tournament was organized by Itso Ruyo Karate Do India. Mohammad Said Ahmed bagged gold in senior men's individual kumite in below 75 kg category and bronze in senior men's individual kata event. Mohammad Rafi Ahmed, Mohammad Said Ahmed and Mohammad Sakir Ahmed bagged silver in senior men's team kata. Now WFC Moirangkom and Pamuba FC Hairok defeated Their rivals in the 7th state level Moirangjam Ravichandra Memorial Open Football Tournament. In the league matches played today, WFC Moirangkong thrashed PLYVA Yai School 7-1, while Pamuba FC Hairok trounced AYSWA Achan Bingai 4-0. The tournament is organized under the sponsorship of M. Ravichandra Trust at Kiamgai Idol Girls School, Kiamgai Mayai Lekai. The remaining league matches will be played on January 2 next year. Crazy Boys Chajing beat Salai FC Chajing by 3-1 in the 27th Langtabal Kendra football tournament organized by Chajing Inat Kanbalup. Farin scored 2 goals while Jayanta scored 1 goal for the winners. Hemanta FC Chajing will take on LSC Langtabal Mantri Khong tomorrow. H. Jackie beat A. Chitra Chakri Tombi in the 6th round of the 3rd state level open chase tournament held at Megha High School ground, Malom. The tournament is organized by Amateur Chase Association. H. Jackie is leading with 5 points till the end of the 6th round. The Manipur Wushu team emerged the overall team champion with 34 medals, 7 in gold, 10 silver and 7 bronze in the 24th Senior Wushu Championships organized by Wushu Association of India at Punjab University, Chandigarh. On the final day, Manipur claimed 7 golds, 4 silver and 4 bronze medals. Manipur became champion in the Taulu event by winning 13 golds, 8 silver and 5 bronze and became the runner-up with 4 golds, 2 silver and 2 bronze in the Shanshou. And now before we wind up, here is a quick reminder of the headlines once again. Congress sources claim there will be reshuffle in Ibobi government after the January 11 civic body election. Chief Minister Ibobi insists Manipur must attempt to overtake other states in overall literacy rate and female literacy rate. BJP Manipur accuses Thawal Municipal Council of misappropriating funds meant for the poor and needy. And great-great-grandson of Charles Darwin delivers Ojasana Chauba Memorial Lecture on Human Rights and Self-Determination as Perspective for Real Development.